Hi everybody, today I want to show you a quick tutorial about, I hope I say it right, but Crello. I hope I say it right, but this is like Canva, and a lot of people use Canva, and Canva is great, but this is another alternative that I found that they have better templates, and just that I find it better in my opinion. So just let me show you what you have here. For first of all, they have a paying version and non-paying version, and yeah, Canva non-paying version is much better in a way that you get more. But if you are not a heavy user and you need just a few design a month, this is really good for you. So it's come to pricing. I hate when they do that. They just switch it because nobody actually pay yearly. So the monthly payment is $9.99, but they actually have promo code, so you can get like 25% off. And the starter one just give you 5 design every month, and just so many templates and unique stock image, and they really do have really nice tools in this website. So I highly suggest it that you will try it. So let me just show you the website and what you have here. So as far as design, I like the fact that they give you the actual size of every whether it's post or video or poster or whatever you need. They give you exactly the measurement, and you can just choose the one that you need. And everything here is custom, so you can change colors and backgrounds and fonts and everything. So we'll do it in a second, but just want to show you all kinds of Instagram posts and posters. They have TikTok, I saw it's new, Instagram post, Instagram stories, Pinterest, and they have so many sizes that you can choose from. Instagram ad, like, it's really good. Now you can just search here whatever you need. So let's just say you want a template that is red and blue. It will just show you these colors, and obviously you don't just have to choose colors. You can choose themes, like I want summer, so you will get all the summer theme. They have tutorials here for anything you need. They are great and really cover everything that you need. So I would suggest to look for it over here. The templates, obviously, I show you the features. Did I show you the features? They show you here what can you do. And pricing I already showed you. So over here you just create and you choose whatever you want. Also forgot to show you that they have it in all kinds of languages, so that's a plus if it is relevant for you. I want to log into mine and just show you a quick tutorial what can you get. So let's just go to my, okay, so you can see a recent one that you already used, and over here you can see all the ones that you can choose from. Let's just do TikTok because it's new, and let's see what we can do with that. So let's just say you want to make a template for TikTok. Okay, so this is the one that they give you, and you can animate it. As you can see, let's just say we want this, and you can choose transparency over here. Let's just see how it looks. Okay, now you obviously can change the text and the fonts and all the regular things. The color, let's just say changing it for this, and here we go. So you have layering. You can bring front and forward, and over here you can align it, you can unlock it, and you can duplicate it. So now I just duplicate it. Let's just cancel it. Over here you can resize it, and you can share it on your social media. and you can see how it will look. It just will make it bigger. I'm not going to do that now, but over here you can see that you have pictures. So they have stock there. This is a free stock that you can choose from. Let's just say I did some research over here. Let's just say I want heart, and they give me pictures that's relevant. Same with videos. I want birds. Let's just say birds. They give me birds. Here we go. So you can add music. Let's just add the first track. So you can add animation. You can add any subject of objects that you want. Background, if you want to change background, they have plenty to choose from. Text, they have fonts and styles that you can choose from. Over here you can add your own files and just edit. I want to change the template for something else. I just do a new design. I just do Facebook post. Okay, I will choose this one. Now I want to change. Let's just change it to this one, and let's can just change colors over here. You can see it changing. Okay, let's animate this one and do like a zoom. So over here you can see what I did. Now when it comes to background, the remove background is only for paying membership, but you can actually do this. So I just click on it and delete it, and now I can add whatever that I want. So let's just say I want this background, and I will add this one. If I will click in again and delete the one, I have a new background. So obviously this is not perfect, but this is one way to do it. However, and this is something that's very clever here, is when you choose download, you can choose what format you want, and you have PNG transparent. So this is huge because it will have no background. So like I said, on the starter plan you have 5 for free, and if you need more you need to pay. Another thing that is really cool over here is you have the referral program, which will give you, I will have my link down below. I will appreciate it if you will use it. 25% off for your plan, and each one that use your link will get 10 additional downloads, and obviously you can get a little bit money of it, so that's great. So this is my tutorial for this amazing website. Please comment down below if you like this website and if you use it and what you think about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.